In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add discounts on Vagaro, a vital step for any business looking to attract more customers with enticing offers. Whether it's a seasonal promotion, loyalty discount, or simply a way to clear out inventory, offering discounts can really make a difference in your success. Let's dive into the straightforward process of creating discounts on the Vagaro platform. First, let's get you logged into your account. Head over to the Vagaro website. You'll find the login button situated at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it to proceed. For ease and security, I recommend using the login with Google option if that's associated with your business account. Select the Google account you want to use for this process. Once logged in, you'll be directed towards your dashboard. Your next step is to navigate to the Go to My Business section. This will redirect you to a comprehensive dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your business. Now let's focus on the discounts. Go into the settings by either using the direct link provided or locating it in your dashboard menu. Within settings, you'll see an option labeled Things We Sell. Click on that. It's where you manage everything you offer, from services to products, and importantly, discounts. In the Things We Sell section, you will find the Discounts option. Click on it to view existing discounts or to create new ones. To add a new discount, click on New Discount. This is where you start crafting the details of your offer. Firstly, give your discount a name. Keep it clear and attractive to catch your customers' attention. Next, you'll need to describe your discount. This is crucial. A good description not only informs but also entices your customers. Explain what the discount offers, any terms and conditions, and why it's an opportunity not to be missed. Now add any relevant brand and details necessary to clarify the discount further. This can include specifics about the products or services the discount applies to, making it easier for your customers to understand what's on offer. Afterward, specify the start date and time for your discount. Timing can be everything when it comes to promotions. Aiming for periods when you know your customers are most engaged can significantly impact your success. Next, we'll specify the products or services the discount applies to. Click on Products. You'll then see an option to Add Product. Here, choose the specific items that this discount will be available for. Once you've selected the products, click on Add to include them in your promotion. Finally, enter the amount or percentage of the discount you're offering. Be strategic about the figures you choose. It needs to be compelling enough for customers, but also sustainable for your business. Once you're content with all the details you've entered, click on Save. And there you have it. You've successfully created a discount on Vagaro, ready to attract and delight customers, boosting both sales and satisfaction. A quick tip before we wrap up. Always monitor the performance of your discounts. Vagaro provides excellent tools for tracking sales and engagement, helping you understand which promotions work best and refining your strategies over time. Thank you for joining me today. Whether you're offering a small seasonal discount or a major promotion, the simplicity of adding discounts on Vagaro makes it easy to keep your offerings fresh and engaging. Now it's over to you to create irresistible deals that will help your business thrive. Happy selling!